Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you four trending niches on Merch by Amazon. So guys, the first niche that I have, it is Holiday Pathos and Fanny Retro Vintage. This is the niche, guys, as you can see here. This is the low BSR 400 BSR, and this is I did on 7 March, as you can see here, guys, with very low competition 99. It's very low, guys. You can make design like this or like this, as you can see here. And the second niche, guys, that I have, it is Foxtrot Delta Tangos, and it is funny t-shirt, guys. This is the BSR very low, and you can make a design with this niche. This is the price, guys, is $14.99, and it is vintage. If I check the result, guys, as you can see here, I see low result, as you can see here, guys, 13 on the research bar, and this is the product, guys, just one product, and it's very low, this BSR. The third niche, guys, it is vintage smoky and the resist bear. It is for women and women t-shirt, guys, as you can see here. This is very BSR low, 284. This added on 7 March. And this is very low, guys. BSR very low result, guys, as you can see here. Very low result. It's just 1,000. It's no bigger than. You can make a design, guys, and you can stand out of this t-shirt and make unique design. And the last niche, guys, it is this one, guys. It is other idea with bears. You can make design just with bears and a logo, and you make sales easily without any problems. So guys, this is the niche. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question, guys, down below in the comment.